7. Adam buys some theatre tickets in a sale. The normal prices are £80 for each adult, £40 for each child. In the sale, the prices are reduced by 15%. Adam buys 2 adult tickets and 1 child ticket at the same price. A 2% booking fee is then added on to the total cost of the tickets. Calculate the total amount that Adam must pay. So, different things I can do. So if he buys 2 adult tickets, okay, so what I can do is reduce the prices of these by 15% first. So I'm going to work that out first. So £80, if I find 10% of that, that is 8. To find 5%, which it will be 4. So 15% will be 8 add 4, which is 12. Then I need to reduce it. So 80 minus 12 would be £68. Now for a child ticket, £40, 10% would be 4, 5% is half of that, which is 2, then 15% would be 4 plus 2, which is 6. So I need to reduce it, so 40 minus 6, which is £34. Now let's work out the tickets he buys. He buys 2 adult tickets and 1 child ticket at the sale price. So I need to do 68 times 2, which is 136. 136 add 34, which is £170. Then it says a 2% booking fee is then added to the total cost of the tickets. So I need to work out 2% of 170 and then add it on. So to find out 2% of 170, I need to find 1%. Find 1%, I divide by 100, which is 1.7. 2% times it by 2, which is 3.4. So my answer would be £173.40. Question 8. Mrs. Mills buys 4 packs of treats for her cats, Fluff and Tigger. She gives Fluff 1/6 of a pack each day. She gives Tigger 1/5 of a pack each day. For how many complete days will 4 packs of treats last? So when I'm going to work out this, I'm going to work out how much of the pack for both of them combined each day. So I need to do 1/6 add 1/5. Now remember, in fractions I need to make a common denominator. So I'm going to times this by 5, times this by 5, times this by 6, times this by 6. Remember, the reason why I'm timesing this by 6 and this by 6 is to make sure they are equivalent. What I do to the bottom of the fraction I must do to the top. So I will get 5 over 30 plus 6 over 30. And now I can just add the numerators together. I'll get 11 over 30. So 4 packs would technically be 120. So what I need to do now is, if I use 11 of them, I need to do 120 divided by 11. 10, 11. So 120 divided by 11 would be about 10.9 something. So how many complete days will the 4 packs last? Now it doesn't reach 11, so that's not a complete day. So my answer would be 10. 9. An interior angle of an isosceles triangle is P, and an exterior angle is Q. It is given that Q equals 5P. Write down the ratio of P to Q in its simplest form. Now I need to just think about how the ratio will work. Now I know that Q is bigger than P. So for example, if I thought that P was 1, if P was 1, Q would be 5, because it's 5 times bigger. So my ratio would be 1 to 5. Now with B, it says work out 2 different sets of angles for the isosceles triangle. So I need to work out what P is first. So to work out what P is, I would do 1 plus 5, which is 6, and I'd do 180 divided by 6, because that's how many total parts there are. And the reason why I got 180 is because angles on a straight line add up to 180. So 180 divided by 6 is 30. So I know that P is 30, Q is 150. Now, I know it's an isosceles triangle, so there are different things that could be the same. So isosceles means that it's got two base angles the same. So it could be 30, 30, and so that would make other angle, because angles in a triangle add up to 180, would be 120. So that's one answer. But 30 could be the angle that's not the same. So if I do 180 take away 30, that's 150. And then 150 divided by 2, which is 75. That could also be my answer as well. So I would have two 75s. So my answers would be 30, 30, 120, and 30, 75, and 75. Make sure each one adds up to 180. Yep, and yep.